So, today we are going to go through a few of the most basic features of subtractive synthesis, and we're going to do it here in FL Studio, and we're going to use the most simple synthesizer, but it's not really simple in that you can actually create really good sounds with it. So we're going to go up here to channels and select 3x oscillator, which means 3 oscillator. And as you can see here, it has many options, which I'm going to assume that you're absolutely new to this. And at first we need to look at this row, which has different kinds of symbols. You could say that each symbol has its own sound. For example, this first one is called a sine wave, and it sounds like this. The second one is a triangle wave, and it sounds like this. The third one is a square wave. And this is a sawtooth. And this, well, I assume it's probably called pulse wave or something like that. And lastly we have a noise generator. So those are the common waveforms you encounter in every subtractive synthesizer. And if you know how to use these, you can almost create any kind of sound that you want to create. So that's the sound source of subtractive synthesis, which is the first and most important part of it. And the second most important part is the filter. And the filter is the sound, what takes away or limits the scope of the frequencies you hear. So if there are different kinds of filters, of course. You have low pass and high pass and band pass. And the one you use the most will probably be the low pass. And low pass means, well, you could say it means high cut, because low pass means letting through the lowest frequencies. So if you take a sound, for example, a sine wave, and it sounds like this, well, this is not going to be a good example, so we're going to choose sawtooth instead. And this has frequencies all across the board, as you see up here in the little bar here. And if we take away frequencies, it will be dulled more and more. As you can see, frequencies are being taken away until there are only bass frequencies left. I'm gonna have to cut this short and make another video about this later.